Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Microsoft Word and exploring how to insert pictures into your documents. Whether you're creating a report, presentation, or just adding some visual flair to your document, knowing how to insert pictures is a valuable skill. Let's get started. Step 1. Place cursor. Place your cursor in the document where you want the picture to appear. This could be at the beginning of a paragraph, in the middle of a page, or anywhere else you choose. Step 2. Insert picture. Go to the Insert tab in the top menu bar and click on the Pictures command. This will open a dialog box where you can browse your computer to find the picture you want to insert. Step 3. Select picture. Once you've located the picture you want to insert, click on it to select it, and then click the Insert button. The picture will now appear in your document at the location where you placed your cursor. Step 4. Resize and position. You can resize and reposition the picture by clicking and dragging on the corner handles. You can also click and drag the picture to move it to a different location within your document. Step 5. Save your document. Once you're happy with the placement of the picture, don't forget to save your document to ensure that your changes are preserved. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a picture into your Microsoft Word document. Experiment with different pictures and layouts to create visually appealing documents for any purpose. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials on Microsoft Word and other productivity tools. Thank you for watching.